Linda Mwananchi kotelne kod Senator ma Nairobi Edwin Sifuna opoyo mokalo duond bura ma DCP kuom yombe yiero madundo ma Ol Kalou. Kweth no lero no kang' ma jodak ma Ol Kalou no onyiso ni jopiny koro osebedo mariek kendo tang' gi siasa mag asoya. Jotelogo mane wuoyo kod jofwamb weche olero ni giikore mariwo lwedo gi jotelo mamoko makwedo piny owacho e neno ni giyombo jatend piny William Ruto e yiero mabiro.
Kalou. The people of Ol Kalou have shown us that it doesn't matter what the regime throws at the people, be it goodies, be it intimidation, be it violence. The people in their supreme power will be the final say in the elections even in 2027.
Kalou has shown us that bribery, violence would not contribute to the conduct of the elections in 2027.
I must congratulate the people of Ol Kalou for resisting the heavy government machinery, the money, the empowerment, the fake developments, and all the goodies were given to them to vote against the UDA party.
It was very clear as a person from that region that DCP would win. And it's also true that Yiero is the voice of that region in terms of his political impact.
If somebody was doubting anywhere that Labda akona a secret card, you can see there is no secret card that William Ruto has. Wamemuanika peupe.